Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to set up a Python virtual environment in VS Code on our Windows machine. So first, we are going to look into that whether the Python is installed in our machine or not. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to, or I can just click on the search and I can search for Python. So you can see here, Python is already installed here. So I will just open I'll just try to open Python. So we can see here, Python is installed here. So we can use the Python here. So when the Python is being installed, what we are going to do is like in the next step, and if the Python is not installed, please go to the Python official website and install the version of the Python which is required as per your project. So after confirming that the Python is being installed, the next step is like we are going to check whether we can work with Python. So in our VS Code. So I'm going to open the VS Code. So this is my Visual Studio Code, and I can open the folder. So this is my, let me go to my D. So I have this D project, and here is the codes. This is the folder where I'm going to do all the coding. So what I'm going to do, the first step is I'm going to move to this particular project. D projects, and how you can do it by using the cd command. So you can put the cd command and you can I'm already in that folder. You can just copy this and you can just put it here and you can just set enter. So you will be already here. So once you have done this, so in the next step, what we are going to do is we are going to check that whether we have the Python extension in VS Code or not. So I'm going to click on this extensions here, and I'm going to search for Python. So you can see here Python. So I got this. It is searching. Yeah, so when I click on this Python, so you can see here from the Microsoft this one, so it's already installed. So I've not installed, I have already previously installed it for my work. Uh, so if it is not installed in your, just install it and enable it. So, once you have done that, so in the next step, uh, we can go and uh, we can uh, we can check for the how we can create our virtual environment so into the project folder. So this is the project folder where we want to create it. So, so what we are going to do, we are going to type the following command, which is going to help us in creating a virtual environment. So I will control C and I'm going to create this. This is the command. So this is the place where my python.exe file is there. And if I do this minus m venv, so it's going to create a venv folder inside this code. So let me enter it. So you can see here virtual environment folder is being created. So once we have done this, so now in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to write one more command. So this command is basically to avoid any error linked to the policy. So if you see an error like running a script is disabled on this system, so which mainly happens when the PowerShell blocking scripts uh, for security purpose. So we have to run this following command. So this is the command which we are going to do to bypass the policy error. Once we did this, after doing this, now in the next step, since we have already created the virtual environment, what we have to do, we have to activate this virtual environment. So when we click on this command, so you see here .venv scripts activate, and when we then click on this particular thing, so we can see we have already created this .venv in the if you can see in the terminal the prompt changes. So this particular part has already this environment venv, which means that we are in this particular environment right now, a virtual environment. So when the terminal prompt changes, showing this .venv, which means that you are in that particular virtual environment. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do Control Shift P. And when you do Control Shift P, you can see here Python select interpreter. If you don't see, you just type it Python colon select interpreter. So when you see this one, you click on this one, and here you can select the Python environment which is being already present, which is being used. So you can use this one, or you can use this one also. Okay, where you have used this Python. So you can select this one, and then after that, once you have selected that, so you can just type uh, uh, Python dash dash version. You can see it is already showing Python 3.142.2. Now here we can, if you have to work on this particular environment for our project, so you can install anything like please install. Let's say if I want to install pandas, I can install here pip install pandas. So this way, you don't need to worry about installing it again and again. Once you are in this particular virtual environment, it is going to install everything for you automatically. Similar way, you can install any open source libraries or any libraries which you think is being required for you. Okay, as per the project. So this is all about how to set up the Python virtual environment in VS Code. Uh, now now we have fully working Python virtual environment in VS Code. So from here you can install any packages as I told you. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Python and VS Code for more tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching this video.